Reproduction in Animals. Part 3. Life cycle of a butterfly.
Hey kids, guess who I am? I fly in the air by fluttering my wings. I am smaller than your hands. You find me in different colors. Honey is my favorite food. Come on, guess. Yes, I am the beautiful butterfly with colorful wings. Now, you see me in attractive wings of different colors. But at one stage in my life cycle, you call me a creepy insect. Yes, I am that creepy insect changed into a butterfly. I have gone through several stages in my life cycle before turning out into a fly with wings. Want to know my transformation from egg to butterfly? Come, I will let you know my life cycle. A female butterfly lays many tiny eggs on the underside of the leaf. The eggs are found in several shapes like cylindrical, oval, or spherical. This is the first stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. In its second stage, the eggs hatch into small ones called larva, called caterpillars. After hatching, it feeds on the leaves they came out. It is one hungry caterpillar. The caterpillar is an eating machine as it continuously eats plants and grows faster. During this stage, the caterpillar shed its skin several times. This is called molting. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it stops eating and forms a cocoon around it by hanging from the branch of a tree. This stage is called pupa or chrysalis. Inside the pupa, the whole transformation goes on as the caterpillar changes rapidly and emerges as a colorful butterfly. An adult butterfly lays eggs on leaves, and again the life cycle continues. I guess now you understand how I transform myself and the process of metamorphosis in my life cycle. Okay kids, I am very hungry. I need to search for beautiful flowers to suck nectar. Bye-bye.
Let us recall. The butterfly also undergoes metamorphosis before becoming an adult. A female butterfly lays many eggs on the underside of the leaf. When the eggs hatch out, caterpillars come out of the egg. This is called larva stage. The caterpillar forms a shell around it called a cocoon or pupa. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar changes its shape and comes out as a beautiful butterfly with colorful wings.